everyone, welcome to Hongwang Group. So first I introduce our factory. Please see that at the first site, that is SW. SW is our Hongwang Group logo. You see, if you use, maybe in your country, you see SW for the machine, that logo like here, that is our logo here. HW. Okay, Hongwang Group. Okay, so in our factory, there are about more than 300 workers here. For the technical engineering, that is more than 50. More than 50 for our engineering to develop for the developed section. And you see, this is all is our scanner. Our scanner of our company, our factory, exhibition, and some other visiting, our certification. And first, this is our building. This is all the buildings belong to our Hongwang Group working office building here. And this is our workers here, our colleague in our working building. This is our factory workers, colleague. And this is our machine here. Just maybe here, this photo is taken for just company cultures, for this, company cultures. Okay, so see, please see here. This is our scanner, our factory scanner for the warehouse. This, more than 1,000 square meters. 400,000 square meters for its warehouse scanner. See, a different section in here, that is for the warehouse raw material and assembly and finished, and others painting, packaging, warehouse here. And so please, this part is our exhibition. Our exhibition here, of course, in last year, because this year is for the virus, we cannot go to the exhibition. This one is to last year in April for the Germany exhibition, Bauma Germany exhibition here in April. This is in Australia exhibition here. This is in Bauma exhibition, Shanghai. And in Russia, this is Russia exhibition in 2019. This exhibition is in Indonesia in 2018. This is in 2017 in Pakistan. This is some of our exhibition last year. Please see here. This is this part is some of our Jingyin leaders. Jingyin leaders, so for some financial leaders and some leaders party leaders in our factory, in our company, to visit our company and our factory to see how business is going on. And this is just last year some of our customers visiting our company and factory. This customer is from Russia, just to see our power driver machine. And this customer from Australia to see our drilling rig. This factory, this customer from Kuwait to see our ruler and buy the containers for first visiting our factory. But this year is not to visit our factory, so I make this live show. Just to see, to believe, just like you see, you are in our factory yourself, to see our factory. And this customer is from Chile. And this is some from South Africa. And also this is our enterprise owner. This is our enterprise owner, also authorized by the government, by the some authorized agency. Just see this. And this certificate is authorized by by the Jinian government and Shanghai government and some other popular agency to authorize for this certificate of technical and sales and good enterprise and others, and all is show some of our companies. If you have any other questions, just to ask us for some product. Our factories, our group companies, main product that is generic, pile driver, some other construction machines. If you have any other questions, just keep calling or check or browse our website to check which product you are interested in. Okay. Hello. So first, let you see our excavator. First one is a mini excavator. This one is just for the. This is 800 kg. It is very portable, mini, and very flexible for the customer to move here and there. And its advantage is that it's very easy to operate. And for some big excavator, it cannot to excavator for the narrow place and for the wall corner. It's hard to excavator. So this one can solve it. So this one mini excavator is main marketed just like Australia, some European countries. Because some Australia, because they have much more area, just have much more places for its garden. Because for just for European and European and others, Australians, they have its own yard. The own yard for its to plant the trees and to excavate for some more narrow places. Okay, so I will introduce its excavator's details by details. Okay, so please check this one. This small one is this part is just the mechanical. This one is partly just it's mechanical, but is it easy to operate it here? And this is a rig. This is a small rig. This is small rig can install different machines, just like 1 ton, 1.5, and 2 tons, and different. For this one, this is special for its installment. This rig can change here for different attachment, hitch. This also needs the hitch to attachment. I will choose some tools. This is the rig, like this. I will show you its parts. You see, this is the filter. The filter. And this is the oil filter. Like this. And other spare parts when we dispatch the machine, we will give you for its spare parts. For the spare parts, we will give you the one year's guarantee for your different use. And this one, so it's very narrow for the narrow places and some corner, have a wall corner, move here and there in the yard. In the yard is very easy to just to plant the tree and to execute the holes and others. It's very flexible and portable to use it for the function. Please just to see its overall dimension for the details. Okay, so please check its check length distance. Check distance is about 777 millimeters. For the road length is 1 meter, 1.9 meters. That is 1090 millimeters for its check length. And its turning radius at the end, it is 733 millimeter. And its transport length. Its transport length is 2,500 millimeter. We transport. We will like this foldering. And this one is operating capacity is 900 kgs for its operating kgs. Okay, so if you have any other questions, leave a comment here. We can give you details, requirement, specification, and the quotations. Okay, next let's go to the 1 ton. This one. This is the 1 ton capacity. You see, this is mechanical operate handle. And also check this, and its operating capacity is 1 ton for this one with a mechanical operating handle. Also, it has also have the air filter. This is the air filter. And it is also the oil filter and air filter for the spare parts. And this is the tool kit. See the tool kit. The tool kit we will send you like this. This is the tool kit. Okay, please see the bucket. This is all these excavators. It has we have in stock. That is 900 kgs and 1 tons, 1.5 tons, 2 tons, and that green one is 3.5 tons for excavator. If to please see all kinds of excavator we have in stock. Please leave comments if you have any questions, okay? We will give you the special details quotation for that. 1 ton, 1.5, 2 ton, and 3.5 tons. And for the hitches and attachments, different because the standard attachment that is just with a bucket, and different that is there for the rig, and for the hammer, for the brick hammer. This different use. We can give you different hitches like this. This is 1.5 tons with a mechanical operation handle. This is also one. This one is 1.5 tons, and also with the mechanical operation handle. This is 1.5 tons, and please see its arm, its length. So its chest. Check its air check. This is rubber check. This check length is about 1.5 meters for its length. It's 1.5 meters. And its chassis is 1 meter for its chassis. Its excavating depth. Excavating depth is 2,150 millimeters for the excavator depth. This one, because this one is a hammer. If with the excavator, that will be 2,150 millimeters for the excavator with a bucket. Please check this. The handle for the details. This one is mechanical for 1.5 tons. Okay, this one also have the bucket. Is 1.5. This one, and its bucket, and for its bucket. Its bucket capacity is 0.0045 cubic meters for its capacity. Okay, this one is 2 tons. It's 2 tons. For it has a shaft like this. 2 tons. This one. To check its hydraulic pipe. Hydraulic pipe is our top quality channel for its hydraulic pipe. You do not miss it to its oil leak. Okay, this one. This one is 2 tons. See its bucket capacity. This one is bigger. Its power is 18.1 kW. 18.1 kW. I will show you its engine. Please show its this operating table. It's a very good quality. You see, It's better than the mechanical shaft. You see this? And see this here for its table. It's good quality and technical for this one. This for its inner. For its engine is 18.1 kW. 18.1 kW. For the engine, it is Changcai, Leidong, and others. Leidong is top quality in China. You can change it to Yamaha and other Cummins engine. Depends on your emission standard. For the European, you need the European standard stage 3. Stage 3 we will change to Yamaha Cummins stage 3. Okay, I will open it for its engine. That is our top quality Leidong engine. Okay, so its engine details here. Okay, for the engine, you can change Yamaha, Cummins, and other stage 3 European for your emission standard requirement for your customers. Because I have the customers in some European countries, they need the Yamaha and the Cummins engine. For the stage 3, emission standard is required for your government remand. And this one is our sale most popular for 2 tons, for its outer shape and its hydraulic operable, and you see it's oil pipe. This one is our important oil pipe. No need to worry about leak oil. See this? It's our important hydraulic pipe. Because some others maybe have the leak oil, but this one is use a good quality oil pipe. No worry to its leak oil on others, because we will use in the construction. If here leaves the oil and waste the oil, and also waste your time working on the construction. So use a good hydraulic pipe is necessary for this. And this one also can work in high efficiency because it have much more enough power to operate, and can swing left and right. For its arm can swing left and right to improve the working efficiency. And also it has an advantage that is very flexible. Okay, just see its blade. It's blade here. Dozer. It's dozer blade. Check its dozer blade. Okay, this green color one, that is 3.5 tons. This one is that is covered for this cab. You see, this cab is just half cover, just is open, just its upper just covered. But for this one is over covered. Inner can use air conditioning also, but usually our standard is with a fan. Depends on your requirement, we can install the air conditioning. Okay, so please check this inner cab. So it's inner, surely it's inner. It is a hydraulic shaft and others. You see? Table. This is 3.5 tons excavator for its bucket capacity. So please check its bucket capacity. This one is bigger. Its bucket capacity is 0.26 cubic meters. 0.26 for its capacity. See, its width. It's big one. And more flexible for its swing here and there, left and right. It's please check its engine. Its engine fuel tank capacity. Its fuel tank capacity is 75 liters for this. And the fuel reservoir, that is 60 liters. And this is more powerful to excavator. It's a power diesel engine that will be 36.8 kW. 36.8 kW. And please see it's our also the top quality in China. Please check it's a dozer blade. Dozer blade that is width is dozer blade can dig in back. That is dozer here. Max is 268 millimeters for its dozer. Depth is 268 millimeters for its dozer blade depth. Its climbing ability is 35. Please check this check. The check width is about 300 millimeters. The check length is about 2 meters. Details accuracy is 2 meters and 2,175 for its length, for its check length. It's still rubber. It's still rubber for its materials check. So for its machine, for its 1 ton, 1.2, 1.5, 2 ton, and this is 3.5 tons. Which one you are most interested in? Just keep comments there. We will give you the detailed specification. Okay. So for the quotation, and this month we make the promotion for this one. 2 tons. For this one, 2 tons. This one is our most popular one for its 2 tons. Because it's 2 tons, it can, for some construction workers, works for some narrow places and also have much more power to excavator and to hammer, and it's mostly important that it's very flexible, portable, move here and there. For some narrow places and wall corner, it's easy to work for the workers. And it's for its operator, it's always top quality.